In this video, we are going to learn how to search for a picture using Google Images, insert that picture onto a pre-made Google slide, and then resize the picture. It's very simple and it only takes a few steps, so let's get started. First, I have to make sure that I have the slide selected that I want to insert images onto. I already have a pre-made slide. This is going to be my example slide. So to find pictures and insert them, I would bring my mouse up to the top where it says Insert. As you can see, I have it highlighted. I am going to click on Insert, and then this drop-down menu comes up. I'm going to click on the first option that says Image, and then that's going to give me another drop-down list where I would bring my mouse down to the second option where it says Search the Web, and I would click on Search the Web. Now I have Search for Images opened up here on the right-hand side. I can search for any image that I'm looking for. Today I am looking for committee locations, so I'm going to type in Trader Joe's. Once I type that into the search bar, I am then going to hit Enter on my keyboard, and it will generate all of these different pictures that fall under Trader Joe's. I'm going to keep scrolling until I find the one that I want. Once I found the one that I want, I'm going to then click on it. As you can see at the very bottom, this blue box came up. So then I am going to click on Insert. And that inserts the picture that I selected onto the slide. Now the last thing I told you that I was going to show you how to do is resize the picture. To resize the picture, you can click on any one of these tiny blue squares along the edges of the picture. So I will click on this blue square and then drag my finger on my mouse pad to make it smaller. I can click on it again to make it larger and drag it out using my mouse pad. Once again, I can click on any one of these blue squares. Just depends on how you want to resize the image. Okay, so let's go through those steps one more time. To insert a picture, I have to come up here to my toolbar, and where it says Insert, that's where I'm going to click. Okay, then I would hover my mouse over Image, drag my mouse over to this other drop down, and click on the second option where the magnifying glass is that says Search Web. And let's say I want to look for a different location. Going to delete what I had before, and now I'm going to look for Walmart. So I typed in Walmart, and then I hit Enter on my keyboard. It gives me all these options. Once I find one that I want, I click on it, down to this blue tab at the very bottom of the screen. Click on Insert. It might take a few seconds. And to resize it, I am going to click on one of these tiny blue squares along the edges. And now I have my images. Thanks for watching.